Data prefilling with Zoho Forms.
To streamline volunteer registration further, Zilker pre-filled the basic information into the redirected form. To do this, they configured field alias in the Educational Qualification and Skills form. This ensures that basic information like first name, last name, and email is automatically passed from the volunteer registration form to the Educational Qualification and Skills form. Navigate to Settings. Select Pre-fill and then Field Alias Pre-fill URL. Click Configure Now. Choose the field labels you want to pre-fill. Example, first name, last name, email. Assign a unique alias name to each selected field and click Save. Once saved, go to the volunteer registration form and edit the configured rule for redirection. Under Redirection page, enable Pre-fill values in redirected form. Map the configured field alias names from the Educational Qualification and Skills form to the corresponding fields in the volunteer registration form to pass responses. Click Done and save the rule. Let's look at how this form now works in real time. This setup ensures that basic information like first name, last name, and email is automatically passed from the volunteer registration form to the Educational Qualification and Skills form, providing a seamless experience for volunteers.